welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I want to show you something a little bit different. Not artwork that I'm going to make, but I am going to share a piece of artwork that a company made for me. This is zalooo.com. They specialize in canvases that actually look like wood panels. They're super cool looking. I recently received I think it's 20 by 24 canvas from them that I had the opportunity to create myself. They actually created it, but I gave them pictures, told them what I wanted to look like, things like that. So first, before we open that, because I do have it here with us to open, I wanted to show you their website. So this is their website. It's zalooo.com. I do have a link below that is an affiliate link. So I do receive a small commission if you purchase with them. So feel free to use that at no cost to you. But this is, and they do have free shipping. Oops, a little pop-up. And apparently if you wait long enough, you get a little pop-up to save 10%. Let's close that. They have a lot of beautiful artwork. They have a lot of memorial type artwork, as well as wedding artwork, family artwork, things like that. So these are gorgeous pieces of canvas. We'll see what it looks like here in a second, if the quality is nice, if it's something that you'll be interested in when I open it. But I did just want to quickly show you their website. When you do pick a picture or pick a item, if it has any customizations, that's when they will ask you for your picture or for your sentiments, names, whatever it is that you want to put. I almost got their sentiments, their poems, things that they picked for the pet memorials are so sweet. I cried in so many of them watching because I recently lost my Cinnamon, my dog Cinnamon. So yeah, those were very sentimental, and I'm sure it would have been gorgeous. I couldn't do it because I would cry every time I read it. So I ended up opting for something with our wedding picture. So you will see that here in a minute. But there is a lot of personalized stuff on here. Let me see if I can find one and show you how to personalize it real quick. They're all super gorgeous. Well, they look like they are. We'll see what they turn out to look like when we open the box. And there are so many pages, so many gorgeous things to look at. It took me a couple days to pick the right one for us, because there are a ton of options on here. And they're all super vibrant. Well, they look like they're all super vibrant. I'm sure I've passed many that I could have customized, but I am just looking for one thing. Let's see. And they have so many different filters here. Let's go gift for husband and see what we have. Oh, they have blankets. That's right, they have blankets. I opted for the canvas. We don't want to look at that. We want to look at let's see if there's a filter by room. Let's go bedroom. No. Living room. Okay, so here's some great options. This is their homepage where you can customize. So you put the names, Tim, Clara, and the date. You'll see that mine is customized when I get that open. But I just wanted to show you real quick how you can actually customize one yourself, and also show you that they have a pretty cool page that shows you some behind the scenes. As soon as that computer loads here, that shows you how they make the canvas. That's pretty neat. So I'm going to show you this one. This does happen to be the one that I picked. But so you can see here, this is where you pick the sizes. So you can go all the way up to 30 by 40 inches, as well as you can add the file here. and then they contacted me to make sure that the proof was just right, which it was, and then they sent it to me. So it's super easy, super fun. And then I just wanted to show you real quick on their homepage, they have a video that shows a little bit behind the scenes and how they create the artwork, and I thought that was super cool to see as well, just along in my journey. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox it. The box is so big I can't really get it under camera, so I'm gonna do a little speedy thing real quick right here to let you see, number one, the box size, and then me opening it, and then I'll be able to get into it a little bit more. So far, at first glance, the frame seems to be really cool, really nice quality. There's a hanger to hang it, a hanger to hang it. And then there's little bumpers down here, you can see that, so that they don't bump up against the wall. It's definitely canvas, so that's cool. They definitely took a lot of care in protecting it. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Oh, I love it. So there you have it. What do you think? And so together we built a life we loved. Chuck and Jen, 12/24/02. They did a wonderful job with the picture. I was worried about how they'd get the background out, but it actually looks really good. All of the fades and stuff they did look really good. The shades, shadows. This spot right here looks a little wonky, but it could just be the wood. Just right there. I think it's gorgeous, and definitely suggest using them and getting products like this. Have your picture made into something breathtaking, something beautiful, keepsake. They have a lot, like I said, they have a lot for deceased pets, family members, a lot of wedding stuff, basically you name it. They have it. I didn't notice this picture I gave them has my little comb showing, but that's okay. That's what I looked like, so it's gorgeous. I love it, and I need to find a place to hang it up. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. Highly suggest using them. Link is in the description box below. And thanks for watching.